Ever imagine a future where your most valuable skill isn't coding, but something deeply human? Well, that future is now. It's early 2026, and as AI gets integrated into our daily work, a lot of people are worried about their jobs, but here's a twist. The opposite is happening. While AI is getting amazing at routine, technical stuff, it's making uniquely human skills more valuable and in demand than ever before. This isn't just wishful thinking. It has a major shift driven by what AI can do and what companies desperately need. The automation wave is real. By now, AI handles tons of tasks like legal document review, financial modeling, and even basic content drafting. The initial reaction was panic, but the data shows something else entirely. Jobs that require deep human judgment, tricky social interactions, and creative thinking aren't just surviving, they're thriving. And they're paying better too. So what are these human superpowers that AI can't touch? First up is critical thinking. AI is great at finding patterns in data it already knows. But when it faces a completely new problem, one that requires questioning the very rules of the game, it struggles. In 2026, companies need people who can navigate uncharted territory, like figuring out AI regulations or climate change strategies. These roles are in high demand, because AI just can't reliably judge its own work in new situations. Next is complex problem solving. Real-world problems are messy. They have conflicting interests, missing information, and constantly changing rules. Humans are brilliant at framing the right questions, trying things out, and using gut feelings that data alone can't provide. Think about improving healthcare or planning a city. AI can give us options, but it can't make the tough, human-centered decisions for us. And finally, there's nuanced communication, the ability to persuade someone, negotiate with empathy, or explain a complex idea to different groups is still a profoundly human art. Companies rolling out big AI projects are learning that success isn't just about the tech. It's about people who can share a vision, calm fears, and get everyone on the same page. Leaders with these skills are turning resistance into real progress. The value of these skills is skyrocketing. Hiring data from 2026 shows that jobs focused on critical thinking, complex problem solving, and nuanced communication are seeing salary growth 25 to 40% higher than purely technical roles. Big companies in tech, finance, and healthcare are all prioritizing these human abilities in their hiring. So, how do you cultivate these superpowers? For critical thinking, start questioning your own assumptions. Actively look for evidence that contradicts your beliefs. For complex problem solving, think like a scientist. Break big problems into small experiments, test your ideas, and learn from feedback. And for communication, practice active listening and try to see things from other people's perspectives. Role-playing tough conversations can be a huge help. This resurgence of human skills isn't about going back in time. It's about evolving. AI will handle the predictable, while we humans handle the ambiguous, the relational, and the ethically complex. The future doesn't belong to people who just master AI. It belongs to those who master what AI cannot, uniquely human judgment. Have you noticed these human skills becoming more valuable in your own work? Which one do you think is making the biggest impact? Let me know in the comments below. Your real-world insights are what make these conversations so valuable. For more analysis on human AI dynamics and how to stay ahead, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.